Hi everyone, I'm Hugo from Golden Classic Lighting. Today I would like to introduce to you an innovative garden lamp. What is the function of this garden light? First of all, it has microwave sensing, and secondly, it has the function of passing through fog. What is the function of penetrating fog? It is on a hazy day, for example, in our capital or in some places with heavy smog. This light is made of red light, and red light can pass through clouds. It gives people the effect of pushing through the clouds and seeing the moon. Please watch our video for details.